In this video, we will review how to use waitlists in Albert. As a reminder, when adding classes to your shopping cart, be sure to select Yes from the Waitlist if class is full drop-down menu. In the event that a class you wish to register for has a waitlist, you have a choice of what to do next. You can either add yourself to that waitlist, or you can start by enrolling in a backup class instead. For this example, we will start by adding yourself to the waitlist. Select Yes from the drop-down for the class. Click Enroll. Then click Finish Enrolling. The results page will tell you if you've been added to the waitlist, and if so, what position number. X out of the page to return to your Albert home screen. Now, in your waitlist courses section, you will see your waitlist status and position number. Continue to monitor the waitlist and be sure to drop any classes you do not wish to keep on your waitlist. Please note, there may be movement on waitlists during the first few weeks of class, until the end of the add drop deadline. Remember, being on a waitlist does not guarantee enrollment, and waitlisted classes don't count toward your credit load. We always suggest enrolling in a backup class to avoid complications with your bill and financial aid. You can do this using Edit Swap or Swap in Albert. When adding a class to your shopping cart, you may have noticed a message pop up about waitlists. This message explains that there are two situations in which you would not get enrolled off a waitlist, even if seats open up. You will automatically be skipped over on a waitlist if your enrollment either 1. Causes you to go above your credit load limit, or 2. Creates a time conflict with another enrolled class. To avoid this, the Swap and Edit Swap features in Albert can be used to select an enrolled class to drop in case space becomes available in a waitlisted class. Albert will automatically enroll you in your waitlisted class if a seat becomes available and drop you from your backup class at the same time. The main difference between Swap and Edit Swap has to do with the order in which you do things. If you're already on a waitlist, you'll want to set up an Edit Swap. If you're enrolled in a backup class, you'll want to set up a swap. For more information about registration, please visit the website and contact your advisor or student link with any questions.